Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Contemporary curtain designs have become pivotal elements in home decor, adding a touch of sophistication and style to any space with clean lines and minimalist aesthetic. These curtains redefine modern living spaces. The use of innovative materials such as sheer fabric and texture patterns, allowing for an infusion of natural light with maintaining privacy. Bold colors and geometric patterns characterize many contemporary curtain designs, offering a dynamic focal point in any room. The versatility of these curtains allowing them to seamlessly integrate into various interior design themes, from urban chic to Scandinavian simplicity. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, contemporary curtains are designed with functionality in mind. Winterized options and smart technology enable convenient control of light and privacy levels, enhancing the overall living experience. The emphasis on the eco-friendly materials aligning with the growing trend towards sustainable home decor. Contemporary curtain designs offer the canvas for self-expression, allowing homeowners to personalize their living spaces. The juxtaposition of traditional and modern elements in these designs create a visually engaging atmosphere, contributing to the overall ambience of the home. As an integral part of contemporary home decor, these curtains not only frame windows but also contribute to the overall cohesion of a well-designed space, making them an essential element for those seeking a modern and stylish interior. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.